and we are from PrettyLifeGirls.com.
And today we're so excited to show you how to make bead art mosaics that you can do with your kids.
Good job.
When you buy your foam core board, it's like the size of a poster, obviously. So you'll use your X-Acto knife to cut it to size, then put it somewhere the children can't reach it. Cut it to like a 10 by 10 square or whatever size that you want. We're gonna show you how to make this one that has some abstract shapes. And then what you'll do to start is just use your sequin glue and place a little bit on your foam core. So then you're gonna put your beads right on there. And it dries pretty quick too. So that's great for kids because they don't have a lot of patience to wait for things to dry.
Have a lot of patience.
So you're just gonna continue doing this kind of pattern, different kinds of circles, some rectangles.
Well, I love crafts that work for kids and adults.
Yes.
And this is totally the type of craft that I would get sucked into.
Yes,
With
for
my
hours making things, yes. I love it too. So you'll just keep working all over adding your shapes. Here's one that's about halfway done. You can do like a rainbow shape, lines, different kinds of circles. These are fun because you could do them for different holidays. How you could do like a Christmas tree and decorate the Christmas tree.
That would be so cute. Each bead could be like a little ornament.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's an example of all different kinds that you can make. So you can do something like a picture.
I love the idea of telling everyone to make their own house and then seeing what they come up with.
That would be
It's
so
fun.
cute.
Yeah.
And then we always love rainbows.
They're always adorable.
Always adorable. Then you have something like this. This is just like polka dots. But it did require some thought because you needed to line up each row so that it was like good and square, right?
Yeah, right. Which is so good for fine motor skills and
So
stuff too.
good for fine motor
Yeah.
skills. This one reminds me of Legos. This one is just like linear, really fun, kind of minimal. And then we have these ones that we've been working on. And they're all so different, but all so fun.
I know, and when you look at them all, it like really makes your wheels turn about all the different possibilities that there are to make with them.
Yes.
That is how you make bead art mosaics.
Made by Liz and Sam.